If you are experiencing hair loss or your hairs hasn't looking voluminous as they were, you are not alone. According to reports, it is estimated that more than 50% of women will experience noticeable hair loss, and there are so many reasons why it can happen. There are a lot of hair voluminizing products in market, but they come with high price tag and some may cause skin irritations. Recently, a study published in SkinMed claimed that rosemary oil could be as effective as minoxidil, the star ingredient in Rogaine products, and was less likely to cause scalp itching. So, does rosemary oil really help with hair growth? Let's get into detail. Rosemary oil is equivalent to 2.5% minoxidil, which is pretty impressive. It's non-toxic and tends to be well tolerated with minimal side effects. The topical application of rosemary oil stimulates tissue regeneration and rebuild nerve endings around hair follicles. This property of rosemary oil is due to the presence of a compound called carnosic acid, as this compound is known to have nerve-stimulating properties. Rosemary oil is also reported to block DHT, dihydrotestosterone, a substance that is responsible for male pattern baldness. It inhibits the activity of 5-alpha reductase by up to 94.6%. By inhibiting the action of enzyme 5-alpha reductase in hair follicles, rosemary extract reduces the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone. Rosemary oil seem like a quick fix for hair loss, but they're just one part of a larger holistic hair growth plan. From nutrition to gut health, hair loss can be affected by a number of factors and should be treated in a number of ways. However, if it's combined with a daily supplement, controlled stress levels and wholesome diet plans, these DHT blocking essential oils can be a cornerstone in your treatment plan. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.